What year is it? Welcome to the annual CM Media Top 11 Cat Awards. First on the list we have Garfield. You know, his famous cat. He hates Mondays, loves lasagne. You know, just a classic cat. Him and Odie, they're always like running around like, oh, who's gonna win? You know, it's Garfield obviously. He's a big tough cat. His owner John.
What a cutie guy.
Am I right? Yeah, you know, he just comes in at number 7 there, Garfield. Moving on. Dubstep cat. Oh hey, he's like the music. Is the music man. You know, like wicka wicka. That's why Dubstep cat is number 9 on our list. Just an excellent looking cat there. Next we got Keyboard cat. Just watch this video for a second. Mean, alright gang? The Keyboard cat, another music man. He's number 8 on our list. He can play the keyboard. I know what you're thinking. Of a cat, but he can play the keyboard. Like, what are you talking about, bro? He can play the keyboard, and it's amazing how he does it. Number on our list is Garfield. Again, yes, I know what you're thinking. What are you doing? You already said Garfield. Like, what? Is the Garfield live action movie version. So that movie, a masterpiece. If you haven't seen it, what is wrong with you? It's just crack up. There's this one scene. He's in a skateboard kitty. That's why he earns number 3 on our list. Next up, we have Bald Cat. This cat, he just gets an award for being like the dumbest cat ever. I mean, he's bald. Like, look at him. He's like all wrinkly and stuff. Like, how does that happen, bro? Yeah, he's bald. Just said he's a bald cat. Actually has a medical condition. He actually has MSG, and I'm really sorry about that, bald cat. Apologies, bald cat's family. Okay, moving on. Hey. Next up we have Grumpy Cat. Oh, everyone loves this cat, don't they? He's just a cat, and he's quite sad. No one really ever knows why he's. Just get up. Just shut up. Who asked? Get out of the shot, bro. Yeah, so we got Grumpy Cat. He's just grumpy. No one knows why. That's just how he is. Funny. Next up, we got number 9 on the list, Hannibal Buress. Moving on, number 16 on our list, Snoop Dogg. Am I right? You know. Guess technically he's a dog, you know, Snoopy Dogg, but we put him on this list because what are you still doing here? So Snoop Dogg, he's not really a cat, but yeah, we just put him on this list just because I'm a big fan of his. Drum roll please. Number on our list is Garfield. From the popular children's show, The Garfield Show. It's just a crack-up show about him and his friends like Odie and the hot cat, you know, his hot cat girlfriend, just having, I think her name's like Airline or something, and they just have, you know, fun times around John's house. And now, ladies and gentlemen, cat of the year 2017, CM Media coolest cat of the friggin' year. Please give it up for Monty. Are you kidding me? This cat ruined the whole show, and now he gets number 1 on our list. Are you kidding me? Can't believe this. Why does he get to be number one? I should be number one cat. Look at this idiot. He can't even. He has to get someone to hold him up for him. Dummy. He might. I can't even. No, just. He of course wins the grand prize of one chocolate Up and Go. That's for you, bro. Up and Go, please sponsor us. They're running out of money here. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys. That was a mess. Thanks for tuning in to CM Media Productions. I'm your host, Dummy. Around me, go. Now, is this picture? We out. Mom, what are you doing? Get out of my room. I'm watching Garfield. That's a fantastic video.